What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Bodie Breaks. There's the list for tonight. If you're new here, welcome. For anybody that's new to our group, what we do is we post the group to the page first, the Facebook group, to try to give our members a chance to grab their teams, and then whatever teams are left over, we put them on eBay. So now that you guys joined the group, you can grab your teams before eBay, try to get them a little cheaper. So give it a few minutes for some people to come in, then we'll get started. This is everybody's teams. There will be a giveaway at the. We like to do giveaways here at Bodie Breaks. Either we give away autos, or we give away packs, or we add extra packs to the break. Today we're going to give away for 3 people to have $5 in break credit for a future break that you buy through our Facebook group page. So we usually run. I'll roll the dice. If the number rolls 5 or higher, I'll run the randomizer those many times, and top 3 get the $5 break credit. So again, we'll just give it a few more minutes, guys, and we'll get going. How's everybody doing tonight? Let me know if there's any video issues or sound issues or anything. Alright. Well, if you guys are ready, we'll go ahead and get started. I do sleeve all inserts, rookies, and then we do top load the hits. So tonight we got the 2 2022 Mosaic Hobbies, which are my fave. Very excited to open these. I've seen some really awesome cards come out of these, so good luck, everybody. First box. Oh, and so you, the people that are new know, we also run, they're called Pick Your Team breaks on eBay, where every team is the same price, and you get, we have a coupon code on there. It's buy one, get one free. You put it in at checkout, so you get 2 teams for like between 10 to 20 bucks. And those are usually smaller breaks. We like to keep those cheaper breaks going for people that like to just jump into the small breaks. So, all right, everybody, just go to our eBay store to see those. We have an absolute one up right now. So, like I said, you get buy one, get one on the free on the team. So it's really a good deal. All right, everybody. Let's go. Good luck. Oh, little. Is that better, guys? All right. Here we go. All right. How's the light and everything, guys? All right. I know these get a little shiny on your. Don't want to blind anybody. All right, Justin Fields, Travis Etienne, David Njoku, Brandon Ayuk, Jacoby Myers, Dallas Goedert. Here we go. First pack, Kenny Pickett. Very nice. NFL debut, Kenny Pickett. Good job, Steelers. Tony Boselli. What we got back here? We got something good back here hiding. Derrick Henry. Danny Gray on another rookie. Nakobe Dean, Herschel Walker on the Mosaic Silver. Here we go, Jordan Poyer on the Silver. Mac Jones. And Frank Gore on the Overdrive. I do like to start sleeving as I go. If time starts getting a little long, I'll withhold sleeving some, but I sleeve them immediately after we're done. So, and all the hits will be sleeved and top loaded immediately. Not a bad first pack, guys. All right. Let's go. Second pack. Alright, guys. Anquan Bolden, Goff, Gabe Davis, Darren Waller, Sean Alexander, Harrison Smith, Darius Slay. Ooh, nice. Second pack good. Brees Hall, Kendrick Bourne, Jerome Ford, and a Garrett Wilson. Very nice. All right, now Hassan Haskins on the Mosaic Silver. Ooh, and Zach Wilson on the red National Pride, I believe these are called this year. It's pretty nice. Micah Parsons on the Montage. Sorry, guys, about the focus. There we go. And then an Aaron Rodgers Silver on the Montage. Very nice. All right. My phone likes to focus on my hand every time I put it right in front. I actually got a new web camera to set up, but I couldn't get it to pick up the video for some reason, so I got to mess with it a little bit. Alright, nice Brees Hall. Alright, guys. Next pack. Alright, Laramie Tunzel, Robert Quinn, Fred Taylor, Brad Johnson, Saquon, Mike Williams, Russell Wilson, Devontae Adams, Zamir White on the rookie, and Alante Taylor for the Saints. Oh, hope I did not. Oh, nope, it's on the other side. That's good. Alright, looks like, guys, we've got 900 points instead of an auto. That's awesome. I'm going to have to randomize that at the end for you guys. Wow, that's a good one, 900 points. There's some packs coming out tomorrow on Panini. I think they were like 3,000 points or something like that for a pack, so could go towards that. Alright, guys. Then we got a D-Hop Silver, Mosaic Silver, Hunter Henry on the True Silver, a Blue Chips James Cook, and a Derrick Henry Men of Mastery. And those points usually replace an auto. So that probably means we're going to have one less auto. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, Justin Tucker, Brett Favre, Luke Kuechly, Mitchell Trubisky, Charles Woodson, Debo, Rodgers, Khalil Mack. Here we got a Kyle Hamilton on the rookie. Derek Young. Another Brees Hall. Saints tearing it up so far. Very nice. Brees Hall. We got a Shaquille Barrett. And a Cade York rookie. I believe that's numbered to 99. Very nice. Cade York rookie. Then we got a Drake London on the introductions. And an Andrew Luck on the center stage. Go ahead and put this Brees Hall out because that's the true rookie. The other one was the NFL debut. Awesome. Alright, next pack. Alright, James Robinson, Nick Chubb, Buda Baker, Clinton Portis, Devonta Smith, Josh Jacobs, Chris Jones, another Rodgers on the National Pride, Reggie Wayne, Chris Oladokin, the rookie, Pierre Strong. He had a strong showing towards the end of the year there. Michael Thomas on the Mosaic Silver. Here we go, Herbert on the National Pride Silver. That's a pretty nice card. Look at that. Oh, focus. There we go, focus. Awesome. Then we got a Dak and a Kirk Cousins on the other Montage. Should go ahead and put that Herbert out. It's a nice Herbert. Like I said, guys, for time restraint, because of time, I'm not going to sit and sleeve everything right now, but I will do them immediately after the break. We'll be top loading the hits immediately though. All right. John Elway, Stephon Diggs, Nico, Quandre Diggs, Adam Thielen, Shaquille Barrett. There we go. Sam Howell came in at the end of the year. I think he's going to do some stuff next year. Herschel Walker, Devontae, Logan Hall in the rookie, Blues Jones Jr. for the Bears. There we go. We got a Mike Woods on the Mosaic Silver rookie. And here we got Pierre Strong on the red variation. Really nice. I like the red variations this year. Nice. And then we got another Herbert and a Drew Bledsoe center stage Mosaic. These things like to not sit up. All right. Second half of the first box. All right. We got Darnell Mooney, Cortland Sutton, Mark Andrews, Danny Dimes, Keenan Allen, Donovan McNabb, Derwin James, who had a pretty good night the other night when he had 3 interceptions, Peyton Manning, Kyle Juszczyk. Here we go, Drake Jackson. Oh, sorry, I thought that was a Drake London for a second. Drake Jackson, Snoop Connor, Trey Hendrickson on the Mosaic Silver. Oh, here we go with the Brock Purdy Silver. Awesome. There you go, 49ers. There we go. Awesome silver. I pulled we did a personal hobby box, and I pulled a base Brock Purdy. That thing sold for $60, so awesome. Here you go, 49ers. Look at that. It always cracks me up how his foot is missing on the one side on there. Sure, can everybody see the cards in the background? All right. Russell Wilson, Joe Burrow. Oh, the Joe Burrow is a silver. Nice card. Great hit, 49ers. Just give me a sec, guys, to clear some room. It's been a great break so far. We're only in the first box. All right. Still need to hit a Kenny. All right. Devondre Campbell, Chuba Hubbard, T. Law, Max Crosby, Cameron Jordan, Chase Young. Here we go. Treylon Burks, nice for the Tennessee. Jason Taylor. Another Zach Wilson on the National Pride. Deontay Wyatt. Trayvon Walker. Here we go on an Adam Thielen on the Mosaic Silver. Ooh, and a Jamar Chase on the red variation. Nice. It's a nice card. Second year, but still nice. Derrick Henry on the Stairmasters and center stage. Is this a gold? I believe it is. Numbered to 10. 7 out of 10. Joe Theismann, center stage. Okay, Washington. Look at that. Really nice. Really nice. Who had Washington? Ryan with a gold out of 10. Really nice. Awesome. What a box so far. Let's put this baby right here. Out of 10. Really nice. All right. All right, guys, let's keep this streak going. We're hitting some good cards. Deshaun Watson, J.J. Watt, Justin Simmons, Miles Sanders, Derek Carr, Rashad Penny, Michael Thomas. Here we go, and a George Pickens for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Tyreek, Jaquan Brisker. I've actually seen a lot of his cards come out of these. Bo Melton. Oh, a Harrison Smith on the purple with the color match. What's the purple number to? 49. 10 out of 49 with the beautiful card, Vikings. It's not a rookie, but darn, that's a nice card. Woo. Yeah, nice Washington hit, Jimmy. That was a good one. Let's go ahead and sleeve this one up. I like this card a lot. It's beautiful on the color match. Sorry, Herbie, I'm going to kick you out. Alright, guys, this has been a great box. Amon-Ra on the silver. Here we go. We got a Josh Allen on the montage and a Keyshawn Johnson on the overdrive, on the silver overdrive. Alright. One pack left of this box. We haven't hit the other auto yet, which is interesting. I hope they don't skunk us on this one and just give us the points, because that was quite a bit of points. So let's see what happens here. There has been some very decent cards, regardless. They're going to give us an auto. Oh, yep, looks like we got an auto. Alright, guys. Josh Allen, Brandon Cooks, Tony G, Justin Jefferson, Tristan Wirfs, Drew Brees, Patrick Mahomes, Amari Cooper. We got a Carson Strong on the rookie. Jake Ferguson for Dallas. There's our auto. We'll pull from behind Nick Chubb. We got a Malik Willis on the blue chips. We got a Devonta Smith on the red variation. Another Zach. Zachs are hitting tonight. What do we have? It's a rookie. Well, 49ers, not Brock Purdy, but Danny Gray. That's a pretty nice auto. Alright, guys. Here we go. First auto of the box, Danny Gray. That would have been sweet if it had been a Brock. Nice hit, though, 49ers. That's two good hits so far. Alright, guys, that was an awesome first box. Alright, Brees. Alright, guys, let's move into the second box. That was awesome. The hobby I opened for myself was the first off the line, and that had better hits than my first off the line box. Alright, guys, let's keep the hits going. Put these to the side so we can see the background cards. Alright, good luck, everybody. Second box. Alright. Brett Favre, Luke Kuechly, James Robinson, Michael Carter, Marquez Callaway, Eli Mitchell, Hines Ward, T-Law on the National Pride, Zach Martin. Here we got Kyle Phillips for the Titans, with the Matt Corral right behind there. And we got a Joe Namath on the Mosaic Silver. Nice card. Damn, I love Mosaics. They're my favorite. They always look really clean. We got Zeke. Oh, what do we have back here? We do have a case hit in the back, I believe. Tom Brady Mastery, followed by a Tom Brady Swagger. Here we go. I believe the Swaggers are a case hit, if I'm not wrong. Wow, nice card. I don't think they're numbered. Nope. Wow, Tom Brady, that's awesome. Woo. I know he had a bad day yesterday, but he's still a legend. Alright, let's put that Swagger back here. Sorry, Danny, you're getting replaced by Tom. Throw this back here. Alright. The hits just keep on coming. Yeah, I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that the Swaggers are a case hit. Alright, J.J. Watt, Justin Simmons, Josh Allen, Trey Lance, Randy Moss, Kenny G, Drew Brees, Jesse Bates. Here we go. Here's our sauce for the Jets. David Ojabo, Rashad White, Jeremy Ruckert on the Mosaic Silver for the Jets rookie. Oh, here we go. We got a purple Tua. Really nice hit for the Dolphins. We got a 41 out of 49. Awesome. And he is coming back next year. For everybody that's new, I'm a big Dolphins fan. That's a beautiful card, actually. Really nice. Meta Mastery, Patrick Mahomes, and a center stage, Brett Favre. Let's go ahead and sleeve that. Oh, it's an insert, not a case hit. Gotcha. Yeah. Alright, nice Tua. Let's see. Sorry, Harrison Smith, you're getting replaced by Tua. Alright. So let me get some of these cards out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and top load the sauce card. It's a nice insert, though. I really like that card a lot. Looks like a silver variation. Alright. Alright, is this going to have our auto? Let's see. Nick Chubb. Buda Baker. John Elway. Mac Attack. Derrick Henry. Tony. Eli Manning, Jamal Adams, Daniel Bellinger for the Giants. Here we go. We got an Agent Hutchinson. Oh, well, here's our next auto. Oh, well, I just showed it. So we'll go ahead. Kevin Harris on the red variation for the Pats. Nice hit, Pats. Travis Kelce silver. Kevin Byard on the red, Jonathan Taylor on the Stairmasters, and a Zach Wilson on the Montage. Very nice auto for the Patriots. It's been a great break, guys. I love opening these cards. Mosaics are always my favorite. Stephon Diggs, Nico, Darnell Mooney, Joey Bosa, Chase Claypool, Waddle. Here we go. We got a nice Desmond Ridder, Montana, Cooper Kupp, George Karlaftis, Malcolm Rodriguez for the Lions. Here we go. We got Antonio Gates on the Mosaic Silver. Josh Jacobs, who had a great year this year. Jonathan Taylor. We got another center stage, Dante Culpepper. Quite a little pile of hits going tonight. Looks like we got a little Kenny in the back. Cortland Sutton, Mark Andrews, Devondre Campbell, Kittle, Hunter Henry, Kevin Byard, Chris Carson. Here we go. Kenneth Walker's making an appearance. Devin Duvernay, Jelani Woods, and a Jameson Williams, too. He's popping up finally. Here, another Tom Brady. The Tom Brady Bucks guys are eating. All right. Really nice. Lawrence Taylor on the red variation. Oh, and we have a DK Metcalf honeycomb. Look at that. Nice hit for the Steelers. I love the honeycombs, too. Really nice. Good job, Steelers. And a Kenny P in the back. And the hits just keep on coming, guys. Oh, yeah, honeycomb. I've only pulled one honeycomb myself ever. And it was a Dan Marino honeycomb, and it's one of my favorite cards. Honeycombs are nice. Awesome. Go ahead and top load these guys. Hot hands tonight. We were due for a good break. We've had some pretty decent ones lately. This one's been hitting like real good. Alright, guys. Second half of the packs. We got 4 packs left, guys. Waiting on one more auto. For those that have joined us late, we did hit points at the beginning. I'm going to raffle those points off at the end. So, all right, Brandon Cooks, Tony Gonzalez, Russell Wilson, Ryan Tannehill, Harrison Smith, Quandre Diggs, Logan Thomas. We go Josh Allen on the National Pride, Isaac Bruce. We go another Desmond Ridder, Kate Otten, Malik Willis right in the back with the silver mosaic. Nice. Kyle Phillips on the silver. Rookie. This is a Dallas